Hey everyone, welcome to YouTube Dev channel, and in this video we will see how to deploy our Vue.js chat application on Netlify. Okay, so yeah, first of all I forgot to tell you like how we code this, like sender's message on the right and the message that we will be receiving on the left. Okay, so first see the code for this. The code is within this div, okay, where we are rendering the message. First we will be traversing our list message array, and from which we will be getting our item, and then we have conditionally applied this class uh, like if the message object contains id from and it belongs to the current user id of the session, like if it belongs to our id, okay, then we will simply apply this class like text from, okay, like if we are the sender, else if we are receiving the message then text to. Okay, so let's have a look at both these classes. Okay, so it's nothing, just the change of background color and the margin. Okay, one is margin towards the like in which we have shifted towards right, and another is towards left with the background color as light coral. Okay, so and as you can see the message object, it contains id from and id to. Okay, and one more thing, friends, quickly go ahead and just change your ahref to router link tag, because ahref was not working when we deployed, when we will be deploying our application to Netlify. Ahref will not work, so uh, yes, quickly replace it with router link tag. Okay, so we used it in login component and in sign up component. So yeah, quickly go and change it in both the components. Okay, so yeah, so friends, once you have changed, you have made these changes. Okay, now what we can do is simply go ahead and run this command npm run build. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, building for production. Okay, so our build has been started. Okay, so now Netlify, you can log in with either of this. Okay, like either with GitHub, Bitbucket, or email. Okay, so I am doing it with GitHub. Okay, so here you can see the deployments. Yeah, you can also deploy with the help of git, like you can connect your github, and from your master branch you can just deploy, or you can simply drag your publishable folder here. Okay, basically the dist is the publishable folder. Okay, so cool, our we have got our dist folder as our build has been made. Okay, so the build is complete, and you can see static folder and index.html. So friends, now what you can do, you can simply go to your folder, okay, and simply drag it to the window, like here, drag and drop your site folder. Okay, so just wait for it to get live. Okay, so our site has been published, as we can see, and we have also got one url. So simply click on this, and okay, cool, so our site has been deployed. Okay, so just quickly log in so that we can also know that our Firebase is also working. Okay, cool, so it is working basically. Yeah, we have also got our messages. Okay, so just refresh. Okay, so guys, as you can see, we got this error when we refresh our page. Okay, so we need to handle it, and for this we need to add a file in our dist folder. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this also. Yeah, make a redirect file in here, underscore redirects. Okay, and just paste one single line of code over here. Okay, for redirecting the uh, the browser to index.html. Okay, whenever we will be refreshing our page, like yeah, redirection to index.html. Save it, and we do not need to make build again. We simply need to copy the dist folder and just mm, drag it down here into the Netlify. Okay, Okay, so our build has been deployed. Okay, quickly click on the link. Okay, so now let's uh, we have got our site. Now let's log in first. Okay, so we have logged in successfully. Now let's try refreshing the page. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, this time we didn't get that error, like broken link. Okay, so yeah, so this was all about this video. Okay, so friends, if you liked the content, then do subscribe to my channel and do like my video. Thank you. Stay tuned.